If we click on refresh button, all three tables will be refreshed in Power BI Desktop. But we want to exclude this table from refresh all. In that case, we have to go to Power Query. Here we're gonna uncheck this option for table 1. And in this case, this table will be excluded from refresh all. If we click on refresh, only other tables will be refreshed. This setting is persistent, but we can go to model view. Here we can just select this and this table. We can right click and select refresh data to refresh only these two tables. In Power Pivot and Power Query, situation is similar. Here we have three source tables. Here we have three Power Query queries. And we also have three connections because these three source tables are loaded into Power Pivot. Now, if we want to exclude this query from refresh all, we have to go to Properties and we have to uncheck this option. For connections, we have to go again to Properties and to uncheck the same option. If these two options are unchecked, and if we go to refresh all, this first query will not be refreshed, and in Power Pivot this first table will not be refreshed. In Power Pivot we can also go to diagram view. Here, similar to Power BI Desktop, we can select two tables, and only these two tables could be refreshed. The last approach is to use VBA. We have two lines of code, this one and this one. This is for refreshing only Power Query query with this name, and this one is to refresh this connection which belongs to Power Pivot.